Good morning, my husband. This sounds strange in real English. Good morning, honey.
Good morning, dear.
Mom, I am hungry.
Me too.
Good morning, my kids. Please wash your hands. Can I have an egg, please? Yes, here you are.
Dad, can you help me with my homework later?
Yes, of course. After breakfast.
How is school? It is good. I like my teacher.
I like math, but I do not like English.
English is important. You can learn. Can we help you, Mom? Yes, thank you.
Dad, can we go to the park?
What do you think?
Yes, but after lunch.
Yay!
Yay! Tom, read this.
The cat is on the chair.
Good job, Tom.
Mom, look. It is very nice. Is this our family? Haha, I love it. The lunch is ready. Thank you, dear. You are welcome.
Can we go now?
Slow down. Eat well.
It is time to go.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, Mom. Mom, watch me. I am watching, pretty.
Dad, look.
I see you.
Can we watch a movie after dinner?
Yes, a short one.
Thank you, Dad.
How was the park? It was fun.
I like the ball.
This is my favorite movie.
It is funny.
Time for bed.
Oh, no.
You can sleep now. Tomorrow is Sunday. Good night, my dears. Good night, Mom.
Good night. Sleep well.
Good night, Dad.
It was a nice family day.
Yes, I love our family.